Croeso nôl, gobeithio eich bod chi'n mwynhau eich taith iaith fel maen nhw'n ei ddweud. Welcome back, I hope you're enjoying your language journey, as they say. Apêl am wybodaeth flwyddyn ar ôl diflaniad dyn o Gaerdydd. An appeal for information a year after the disappearance of a man from Cardiff. Cyfres 4 a phenod rhif 215. Series 4 and episode number 215. Ymarfer Ymarfer Ymarfer. Practice, practice, practice. Okay, yeah. What have we got there? Ddweud. Ddweud has become ddweud after ei. His or its. It must be the masculine one because it's done soft mutation to ddweud. And then we have apêl am wybodaeth. Wybodaeth, knowledge, information, has become soft mutated. The G has dropped after key preposition am. And the key prepositions are am, are, at, dan, dros, drwy, tan, dros, drwy, gan, heb, hyd, and I, wrth. Blwyddyn to flwyddyn, Caerdydd to Gaerdydd, phenod. Pennod has become phenod. Gant again, cant has become gant. After the number 2, everything mutates. A phymtheg, after the word and, like phenod did, phymtheg did after and as well. P to a PH aspirate mutation after the conjunction called a, which means and. Okay, what have we got? Today's is like a revision lesson, but it's quite a big one. There's lots to it. You're doing all sorts of things, really. I've been tidying up some games as well. So we're going through a load of words that we've done over the past few weeks, really, and and plurals and all sorts of bits and bobs. So I'll just go through some words. Costau is costs. Diflaniad is achievement, accomplishment. Rhaeadr, waterfall. Penwythnosau, weekends. Profiad, experience. Turn screw, screwdriver, turn screw. Morthwyl, hammer. Gulf, is a golf. Gelwyn, gallon. Modfedd is an inch. Cyfeiriad, aim, direction, address, and postal address. Troedfedd, foot. Gwastraff, waste. Llwch, dust, powder, fertilizer often, but can be lake or loch. Like Loch Lomond. Penwythnosau, weekends, I've had that. Galwyn, I've had that. Cariad, love, lover. Nant, stream, brook. Tad, father. Cymdeithas, society. And you get how it goes. Lots of the words we've been doing lately. Then you've got the flashcards, listens, word searches. Yeah, I've improved upon them. They go better. Split the words off into 2 word searches. Could be too many more. And then this text entry thing. I realise that sometimes I might ask you to type the Welsh word for, I don't know, play. And you're like, what does he mean? Play as in chwarae, or does he mean play as in drama? So you wouldn't know. So anyway, I've put in brackets what word type you're looking for. Noun or whatnot, makes it easier. And you get to practice all them. So I'll start putting them in more as well in the lessons going forward. So a few of these anyway. And then plurals, like I said, soft mutation, nasal mutation, aspirate mutation, and so on, and then other games that I like on the daily quiz. Like so, fynghariad is one of them. So, like doing the nasal mutation with the word my, and then your soft mutation with that, and then ei, her, aspirate mutation with that one. So lots of games to practice them and the mutations that happen after a and gyda, and then the mutations that happen whether something's feminine or masculine, all the different patterns that happen with saying this and that, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, good, putting adjectives after them, second, third, fourth, they all have different ways of doing it and different words that you use, very feminine or masculine, things like that. So lots of games for them to get practicing. And then sentence work, fill the blank, type the word that's blanked out, multiple choice the words that are blanked out, and build sentences. And then recent berf ny, verb nouns. So ymddiswyddo, resign, quit, ymbaratoi, prepare oneself, sôn, mention, tell, mention, talk, wneud, to do with, concerning, ethol, elect, choose, wneud, do with, concern, pertain, gwobrwyo, award, reward, bullio, bully, ymdrech, effort, attempt. Okay. Wneud, I'm just going okay because I don't think that's a verb now. I don't know if I've put in the verb now again. Anyway, ymdrech, that was. Wneud, we've done that one. Treat, ethol, elect. And then I'll jump around a bit. More games for them, more word searches for them, flashcards, whatnot, blah, blah, blah. Then using them in matchups with tenses. So, fydden nhw wedi bod yn ymosod. So, fydden nhw. So it's will they. Wedi bod. Will they have been yn ymosod. So it's not will they, it's would. It's would they have been attacking, that kind of thing. So you've got to like build it up, and you've done a few of these before. All the verb nouns, 50 of them that we're practicing, are there isolated in one game with the tenses. So lots of practice. Then I go through the latest story again. Rydw I wedi bod yn brysur iawn yn ddiweddar. I've been very busy recently and so forth. Rydw I wedi gwneud rhywbeth cymdeithasol nawr bron bob dydd. I've been doing something sociable now nearly every day. And all them. And then the first story that I did, little sob story about getting bullied and whatnot. And then it's some today's sentences. So, we got the Ymarfer Ymarfer, I've called it. Prepositionally work. Prepositionally practice. I don't know if that's how you used to say it, but you get the idea. Ymarfer is a preposition and all mixed into an adjective. So I'm describing the practice as being prepositional. I think that's the way you say it. And then I better go on to today's sentences before we run out of time. Y dyddiau hyn, mae cymaint o wahanol weithgareddau ar gael. Nowadays, there are so many different activities available. Mae'n dod yn haws I mi unwaith eto I mi ddechrau. It gets easier for me once I get started. The social. Hefyd, mae gwybod beth yw fy nghyflwr yn gwneud pethau'n llawer gwell. Also, knowing what my condition is makes things much better. Not reading out that sentence though. But it's there on the paper. You read it out yourself. Rwy'n dweud wrth y rhan fwyaf o bobl nawr cyn gynted ag y byddaf yn cwrdd â nhw. I tell most people now as soon as I meet them. I've run out of time. Not much to do. A few words there below. I'll see you tomorrow. Ta-ra.